The 16-mile Ulao Creek Watershed is an irreplaceable treasure in southeast Wisconsin. These protected wetlands have a significant impact on the quality of the Milwaukee River, native fish, wildlife, and rare vegetation native to the surrounding woodlands and grasslands.
We are doing a trout stream rehabilitation project. The short story is the railroad went through 130 years ago, took a wetland and made it into a railroad bed. 130 years later, conservation organizations all came together and we are returning the place to its natural habitat.
I'm Adam Purcell from Wacker Neuson Corporation. A couple of months ago, Jim Sykes from Solutions 101 reached out to us and asked if we had some good equipment for him in this Ulao Creek restoration project. We met together, we looked at his specifications, and we thought our compact equipment would be a perfect solution.
We started out when we were bidding the project, we were looking at heavy equipment because that's what I was familiar with. Of course, at the time I got to looking at the zero footprint concept, and in doing that I started looking for very small equipment that could work under very adverse conditions. We chose Wacker and it's worked out very well for us.
Wacker Neuson, a social and environmentally conscious company, was a perfect fit for the job due to the characteristics of their compact equipment line. Powerful, highly maneuverable, fuel-efficient equipment that can handle big jobs while treading lightly on the surrounding environment.
We can be in here when it's really wet, we can be in here when it's really cold. We really have to focus on getting into and out of a lot of really muddy, a lot of really hairy areas. There's a lot of different things that the size of equipment allows us to do. It's great for the wetlands, minimum disturbance for the wetlands, and allows us to keep a lot of the trees.
Wacker Neuson's mini excavators, whether no-tail or short-tail, are perfect for work in confined spaces.
What we're trying to do is take the least amount of trees, work around the trees, work around the landscape instead of just bulldozing everything.
We're actually able to sit right on top of our hole. It's really nice because you can see exactly what you're doing to make sure it kind of gives that flowing, natural feel.
Our wheel loaders offer versatile attachments to move almost any material.
It's very important to not consume a lot of fuel. It's important to have good equipment that is stable and capable of getting a lot of work done.
Wacker Neuson dumpers can move materials in areas where big dump trucks simply can't get to.
I like the swivel on the bucket because instead of having to back up and situate the whole machine, I can just situate the bucket.
For the Ulao Creek project, Wacker Neuson's light plus compact equipment made for the right tool package for the job.
I'd absolutely recommend Wacker Neuson products for conservation projects like this. It packs a lot of punch in a very small cage, and it's really good to get what you need to do done in a very, very tight and difficult situation.
Wacker Neuson is a very good company. We have good stability, good workability to the equipment, and very pleased with the situation we have here.
To find out more about how Wacker Neuson's line of light and compact equipment can work for you, visit us online at wackerneuson.com.